Ugh. Hello. Hello, good morning. This is video number 2 of the day. You're live. No, you're not live. I've never done a live video yet. ATW Transport. I haven't done a live video yet. So I'm just having a look here. Let's see what's going on. I suppose we can go home for lunch in a bit. Yes. Well, just having a wee look at Roundabout, and it looks... Yeah, man, metal recycling. Yes, I am connected to that industry. In a very weird way. So, there we have it. Skeoch Roundabout. It looks so cool. And tempting. Wants me to go in there and lie around, luxuriating in it. I'm scared. I'll be quite honest, I am scared. What are you scared of? Well, I'm scared of me. Long lane deliveries. So it's not a very good roundabout really, it doesn't have enough cover, does it? Yeah. Oh, everybody obeying the invitation rules. Good. Very impressive. There's another bit across here. Well, if I had more time, I could go for a walk under the railway bridge, you know, and that's Carntine Transport, popping round the roundabout, and Hapag Lloyd, see them all the time. Hapag Lloyd, Russell, pulling the Hapag Lloyd truck. Busy, isn't it? Huh? What the hell's going on there? Ah, Alpha. I always fancied an Alpha. That's what... Oh, no. Don't use your indicator properly, you dumbass. The Alpha would be a car I would buy. Yeah. Yeah, it would be the only one I'd really be interested in, probably. But... they're not really very practical for my needs. Which is why I don't bother with them. I don't bother with Alphas, but I will do, because I've got a thing about Maseratis as well. So, you know, one day. So basically, I suppose, what, at the moment the cars are suiting my needs. The only car I haven't sorted out is a Ford Granada, because I'm waiting on getting fixed. Yeah, so there's a little path over here. We'll have a quick look at that. Wow. I've got snow in my shoes. It goes under here, and it goes to this, the Bannock Burn, under the railway bridge. I think I'm too long for my lunch. The road's up there. It was flooded the other day. It's probably settled down quite a bit. So that goes along past, along under the railway bridge along there. And the other day you couldn't go under it because, I mean, I wouldn't want to have a house here because look how low that is. I mean, that's like, yeah, I was like, that is, I don't know how high up from sea level that is. But, well, there's a wee path in there. It's, I'm saying I wouldn't, I probably would, but, I mean, you don't think it's going to flood, do you? But to me, you've got the burn there, houses there, the road's are way up there. And why did they put the road so high up? Well, the actual reality is that it's just a sort of temporary structure you're living in, if you really want to be cynical about it. It's all built on fraud. Audi titty. You know, all built on fraud. The fraud that is. There's the railway bridge there. No, that's the road bridge. Sorry, that's the road bridge, obviously, because the cars are going over it. So the railway bridge is just like there. It is. So when I go back, I'll probably go out that one. I've never actually walked in there before. I've been under here before. So this is a holy shit or pooper doopers. Yes. How the hell is there? Why is there tracks here? Just because they've got to here and then realise they can't go under. Right, so if you want me to go under there, I'm going to get wet. Oh shit. So, we need to paddle. Anybody up for paddling? God, how deep is that? Oh shit. I bet that water's cold. Definitely cold. That was really, gee. So we're not going to go walking there today, sadly. It's the Bannock Burn. Could wait here until a train comes along, if you like. So I take it people have just come down here and turned round. Oh no, I know what's happened. If you've got maybe a push bike, you can cycle through that. I don't actually know what's under it though. Is it just concrete or something? I mean, when you're going to go under something, you have to, you have to like know what you're either cycling in or driving in or walking in. Oh well, that was that plan kind of. I thought it would have settled. I knew it was flooded the other day, but I didn't realise it would still be flooded today. Right. Okay then. Something much else we can do here. Apart from me going paddling, which would be a bit weird. You don't want to do that, do you? There's things I think about doing. There's a big thing stopping me, like paddling. Why would you not want to go paddling? Well, because people stand on a bit of glass would be one thing. So I don't know where this path goes to. Probably. I don't know if I can get back to. I'm going to walk. Whoa, there's a train. I wanted to catch the train going over the bridge. Fucking hell. There'll be another one soon. I could actually wait. Yeah, I'll get it next time. It's a boat. I actually need a boat, don't I? I'll get a boat and I'll go in the Bannockburn. I'm such an adventurer, aren't I? I want to do all these things. I'm going to go. Oh, so slippy. I want to do all these things and go all these places. And I never seem to get around to it. Which is there's Elon Musk. I watched a video of Elon Musk talking about you can't have people living forever because the ideas wouldn't change. I don't believe that. My ideas change all the time. If you're going to have people living forever, you've got to have like people that are worth having. So I think it would be me who would be the perfect candidate because I can. I don't even know where I am. Where does that go? I'm lost. I'm lost in this scheme. Aha. I agree with that, you know. But you can't have everybody living forever because it wouldn't be fair. And that's the whole crucial thing. If you were to live forever, it wouldn't be fair because you're taking up the space of. Here we are, this is Pike Road. This is where I was moaning about people going fast. It's a fucking true road, you morons. Of course I'm going to go fast. You know? Posty. It's like people need to shut up. I wish people would fucking shut up. Actually, is what I wish. There's people moaning about things that it's like fuck off. Moaning about this, moaning about that. I'm not going to start moaning about feminism, but I feel it coming on. Look at that house. I mean that's ridiculous. The size of that house. Where are you going to put your car? The trailer out. It's like, what a fucking dumb idea that was. Should have a garage in it. They've converted it to a bedroom, haven't they? Wouldn't be so bad if people were having a lot of children, but they're not. I don't know if that's like a garage there. Maybe that was a garage outside. That'll be a lean-to. And there's the co-op. When I get to the co-op, I'm going to end this video. The coupe. And there's a mini. Mini. So, this is the second video of today. I mean, there's a brilliant little garage, that one. Look at that one. So today we haven't gone through the woods. I wonder if I can. I'm still not exactly. Can I walk over there? Say so. Sure, there's a dog doing a shit, look. Oh, the owner's standing there going, how embarrassing, I'm on YouTube. Workers having to get together. I used to be a worker. I was in the building industry. I was. And I think if I go over there, should be able to get out. I said I was going to stop when I got to the co-op and I haven't. Shows you can't trust me. That looks like a path. Isn't it? Even I'm getting bored of this video. Right. I keep saying right all the time. It's going to take ages to download it. Yeah, so the things that I was watching this stuff. I'm watching about Nietzsche. I'm trying to learn about Nietzsche, a philosopher from the last not the last century, the century before that. I'm trying to learn about philosophy. I'm trying to learn about philosophy. I'm trying to learn about the world and how it works. You know. There must be a wee path there, and it's a bit to take in, you know. So I've kind of got it on in the background. I mean, we can ignore the past and ignore clever people like Nietzsche, all we like. So, someone's got quite a fancy little garden room in there. Yeah, I walked down here already. So, the work's getting a bit... Maybe I should plan it better. Sharp! Maybe I should plan it better. I suppose you've got to keep going forwards, haven't you? No, like not backwards. You've got to keep going forwards, not backwards. If you go backwards, there's like no point in really worrying about stuff from, you know, from the past and that. So this is taking me out. I walked through here in the dark one night and I didn't even realise that this is the path. So that says Bannockburn Cowie, or push bikes. This is the middle of the Bluebell Woods. I know there was a sign here the other day said, "Do not take any of this wood." And guess what I did? Yeah, I did. I can't help myself. I'm just like that. Is that icy? I'd say it probably is. I mean, I'm not taking any of that wood. That's too fucking heavy, isn't it? Look at the size then. I took a nice easy bit. Sign, look at the sign. Fucking arseholes, eh? Do not remove this timber. Fuck you. Okay, right, well. You know. Yes. Look at this lovely little bit of timber. Ooh. Oh, shit. Ah. Yeah. Oh. Look at that. Oh, right. And there's a big cross on that one. I mean, if you're going to chop trees down, fucking take your shit away as soon as you've done it. Don't leave it lying around with a stupid sign. I wonder who this forest, well, wood belongs to. Who does it belong to? Well, I don't know. I really don't know. Right, today, so I'm going home for lunch now, and I'm going over to Skeoch to pick up 10 bags of gear. I'll go and visit my friend. Then I've got another friend to visit as well. Coffee time. So far I've had 3 cups of coffee today. Ooh. Woof, woof, woof. Somebody barking. A dog barking, obviously. The way things are going in society, I wouldn't be surprised if humans start barking. I suppose that's the thing about roaming about and raking about and camping out and stealth camping is dogs discovering you. Yeah. So, jeez, yeah. So this video's went on a bit too long, but I'm going to end it. I keep saying that. I'm going to end it when I get to the end of this walk, because you don't want to be showing around the housing scheme, do you? It's boring. Yeah, there's a lady there with dogs. She's probably so basically, I suppose what I could do if I ever come across somebody is put the camera down, and if start being dickheads, then I could put it back up. So, like, that would be the plan. So that, you know, like, so you know. Hiya. So that's just kind of like the way it kind of goes, really. I'm almost jogging here, actually. Almost. So the problem I've got is that as an artist, I want to film humanity, but at the same time, I've got to respect their right to privacy. I don't want to upset them. Camping with Steve does that. He always tries to avoid filming people. So that's just like being polite. So I turned the camera away, so that lady, you can see that lady. Definitely going to end it up here. Going to end it at the bin. And I'm going to rush home. Do you know I don't have any rolls or bread in the house? I was raking about in the kitchen yesterday and I found extra load of food in a cupboard that I forgot about. So yeah, so I'm going to sit on there. Oh, that looks nice. I'm just doing sculpture. It's not to say you can't move the timber around. They didn't say that on the sign, did they? So there you are. Sum this video up. We had flooding, frozen brambles, dogs, and so I'm going to call it a day at that. Alright, bye!